Internal Revenue Service IRS tax news. IRS is seeking qualified applicants for the Electronic Tax Administration Advisory Committee. But first, an attempt at a joke? I apologize in advance. Yesterday on the street, I saw a young child put a coin into his mouth. And within seconds, a skinny man in a suit with glasses came dashing from the shadows, hitting the boy in the kidneys multiple times with the speed and power of a professional fighter. I thought the kid would die from the impact of the kidney blows, but the coin shot out of his mouth, even as the man continued the onslaught for another minute or so. The poor kid did not look well after the kidney strikes, but he was breathing. Barely. The mother, not knowing what to do, thanked the man for the help, assuming him to be some kind of violent doctor. The man said, "Oh, I'm not a doctor. I work for the IRS," as he put the coin in his pocket and walked away. The poor kid spat up blood from the kidney blows, sputtering, "But I just wanted to see what the coin tasted like." I thought to myself, wow, that poor kid looks just like my business does after dealing with the IRS. Bruised, battered, and bewildered by the process, not knowing if you have the strength to go on. IR 2021-244, December 8, 2021, Washington. The Internal Revenue Service is seeking qualified applicants for nomination to the Electronic Tax Administration Advisory Committee, otherwise known as the ETAAC. The ETAAC is an organized public forum for discussion of issues in electronic tax administration, such as prevention of identity theft and refund fraud. The committee supports the overriding goal that paperless filing should be the preferred and most convenient method of filing tax and information returns. The ETAAC members work closely with the Security Summit, a joint effort of the IRS, state tax administrators, and private sector tax partners to fight electronic fraud. The IRS is looking for up to 10 qualified individuals who will serve 3-year terms beginning in September 2022. Applicants should have experience in such areas as state tax administration, cybersecurity and information security, tax software development, tax preparation, payroll and tax financial product processing, system management and improvement, and implementation of customer service initiatives. The IRS also strongly encourages applications from people representing the viewpoints of average taxpayers, including consumer advocates and others with an interest in tax issues. Applications will be accepted through January 31st, 2022. Nominations of qualified individuals may be made by letter and received from organizations or the individuals themselves. Applicants should complete the ETAAC application. There's a link to that application here, and include a short statement of interest and resume. Applicants should describe and document their qualifications, past and current affiliations, and dealings with cybersecurity and electronic tax administration. Applicants must complete and submit a tax waiver form and undergo an IRS practitioner background check and an FBI background check. Information on the tax check waiver and FBI background check will be provided upon receipt of application. For information can be found at application for membership on the Electronic Tax Administration Advisory Committee, the ETAAC. There's a link to that here. ETAAC is a federal advisory committee established by the Internal Revenue Service Restructuring and Reform Act of 1998. Questions about the ETAAC and the application process can be emailed to, and there's an email address here, so there'll be a link to this in the description. You can find the links to the application and the email address and all that good stuff if you so choose, and there'll be a link to this in the description.